All right, today I have a Kia K5 and I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the parking brake in this particular Kia K5. Now, in order to turn on and off the parking brake in this particular Kia K5, what you're going to do is, I'm sitting in the vehicle, I'm going to go ahead and press the brake, the foot brake, with my foot on it, and then I'm going to come over here, and you see this right here? I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to pull upwards on this. And when I pull upwards on this, you can see this right here. The parking brake is engaged right there. The red light is on. And in order to turn it off, what I'll do is I'll come back over here and I'll press this. But you see what happened? You hear that ring? It says press the brake pedal to release parking brake. So I have to put my foot on the brake pedal, and then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to press this, and the parking brake is no longer engaged right there, and then I can release my foot off of the brake and I can go as I need to drive or to get out the vehicle. If I put my foot off the brake and the vehicle is in park, or keep my foot on the brake and then change it from park to drive neutral or reverse or whatever. But that is how you turn on and off the parking brake in a Kia K5. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.